Welcome back to the 9Honey kitchen. Right now, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest salted caramel chocolate tart of your dreams. Yes, it tastes like a Snickers bar. Yes, it's really simple. And the thing I love most about it is that the base is actually made out of whatever sweet biscuits you've got at home. So let's do it. So first up, we'll need some sweet biscuits. Today we're using Scotch Finger biscuits, but essentially you can use whatever you've got in the cupboard. Then you'll need half a cup of toasted peanuts. Make sure they've got that lovely roasted flavour because that's part of the joy of this tart. You'll need 1/4 cup of caster sugar and a pinch of salt. We're going to put that all into the food processor and we're going to blitz it all up until it's nice and fine like sand. Once your crumbs are nice and sandy, all you need to do is add 125 grams of room temperature butter and blitz it up again. Now that your tart base is of a beautiful wet sand consistency, all you need to do is pop it into a tart tin with a removable base. Once you've pressed your tart base nice and evenly into the tin, I like to use the back of a spoon just to smooth it out. Now our tart's ready to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, just so that it sets. To make the salty chocolate ganache filling, it's as easy as melting together 300 grams of dark chocolate and 3/4 cup of cream over a very low, gentle heat. Once your chocolate's nice and melted together with the cream, we're going to add a pinch of salt, a dash of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of honey, and then whisk in 1 whisked egg really slowly. Once your tart has been blind baked and your beautiful ganache is ready to go, it's put the two together and then back in the oven for 20 minutes. Once your tart comes out of the oven, all that's left to do is dress it, and today we're using a sprinkling of sea salt, some gold dusted peanuts because why not, and some beautiful caramel sauce drizzled over the top. You can use any caramel sauce you like, but this is one we made earlier and keep in the fridge for special occasions.